Right, on the plot, and like I say, I've got a friend here with us. It's Mr. Bum! Oh, John!
Hello.
John's come to give us a hand cutting the scaffold poles, because I've got some very long ones here. So what I'm going to plan to do is just knock together a cold frame, Brassica cage. I've got all the gear here ready to go. Right, basic Brassica cage, basic stuff. We've got a couple of scaffold poles. We've got some yellow gas pipe, lats, roofing lats. Cable ties and scaffold net for the cover. So they're the basic stuff that I need. So what I'm going to start by doing is cutting 4-foot lengths so that the pipe can go in the ground securely. Just no concrete, nothing like that, straight in the ground, and that'll be secure. And then once we've gotten them all lined up, then we can pop the hoops in. But you'll see that as we're progressing on. Right, that's them knocked in. I've gotten one, I'm reusing all materials. So I've got a really long length of that, which I'm going to use for the top base. I've got the other length of the lat here, which will be going down the sides, and we'll make a couple for the ribs as well. Really basic structure, and then that's pretty much the tunnel frame sorted out to start with. And then it'll be fun trying to get the mesh over the top, which to be quite honest, I might be able to just staple into the plastic and then just tucking down to the bottom, but we'll cross that bridge when I get to it. But I'll tell you what, it hasn't taken me too long, has it? No, not too long at all. Right, time to crack on. Right, so we've got this on, got some braces across the side here, but obviously if you just put them across this way, then what's going to happen is it's going to be wobbling all over. So put some side braces on. Now, it doesn't need to be absolutely solid like them ones. This is going to have a mesh over the top of it anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference. So as long as I've got something to go off, then like I say, if I've got a bit of movement, that's still fine. So the only thing I need to do now is to sort out the front door. So, and then put the mesh on, but I'm going to see what I've got. So, new Brassica cage is coming along canny, and it has cost us two bits of CLS, and like I say, I already had the lats and everything spare in any case. So it's cost you. That's all right. I'll give you a coffee. So it hasn't taken too long, but not too bad. What time is it now? It's 1 o'clock. John came to mine at 11, so it's taken me 2 hours just to knock that structure, that frame up. Hey, not too bad. I've still got these wooden boards from the fence panel, so I found them. These are probably going to do for the bottom, so I can tack it or something. So stick them on, obviously, the outside, like that. But the next thing is how we're going to secure them. So what I've got is, I've got some rods. Just going to drill a hole, put them through, and just tie the ends. That's what I'm going to try anyways, see how that works. So we are literally winging this as we go on here. I've had some, got some like little rods, which all we've done is screwed 2 holes into the wood. As you can see, John's just tighten them up, and it ends up like this. So that'll keep our board on there, and it gives us something to staple to on the bottom. So that's what them done. These sides all done. Got them lots done there. Just need to sort out the front section, and then I can start putting the cover on. Okay, that's the bottom sections put in as well. Just got a lat going across the back, just keep that in. So I've got me the scaffold netting. What I'm going to do is do a wrap from the door by the middle, basically, all the way around, and that should give us enough for half. And then hopefully I'll do the same on the other side as well. So I'm going to put these back up. I'm just going to get cracking and get this done because time is pushing on. Brassica cage all sorted, all done. Basically what we did was, as you've seen, went all the way around the outside. It's 2 metre width, so we stretched it over to the top of the bar and the bottom, doing section at a time to make sure I kept it taut. Good idea would possibly be getting some lengths and just tacking them down, screwing them into the baseboards, just because obviously the staples are not going to hold that for a long time, because it's individuals instead of one long piece. So like this, for example, so that's what I've done, just nailed this in here, so it's keeping that front door section on. And when I get a chance to, what I'll do is put some just along the back sides here, and then I'll have a door sorted out for it as well. But there we go. So things are coming along canny. I'm pleased with that Brassica cage, the new one. It means I can get more cabbages put in, because that's something I do like to grow. So that's going to come in handy in the years to come.